Hello everyone, I'm Panda.
And I'm Worm, and welcome to our channel. Today we will be taking you on a mini vlog to the sandbar in Oahu.
We decided to use Captain Bruce for our journey today.
In the water, there are a lot of these little worm-like sea creatures. They are called lion's paw sea cucumbers.
Ew!
They're so cute! The journey to the sandbar by boat is about 15 to 20 minutes. There's a little sea turtle poking its head out.
The weather in the water was especially beautiful today.
The weather was extremely nice. The sky was super clear and the water was extremely blue. Our total boat ride to the sandbar was about 17 minutes long. As you can see, the water at the sandbar is extremely shallow. Depending on the day, it will either be high or low tide. If it is low tide, the water should only come up to about mid-thigh. If it's high tide, it might come up higher.
there I am getting to the water. As you can see, the water barely touches my upper body.
Panda is about 5'8" for reference. There are a lot of tour boats and boat services that you can use to take to the sandbar. A lot of them offer a lot of services such as snorkeling and paddle boating. We went snorkeling this day, but unfortunately we forgot our waterproof cases and couldn't take any footage of underwater. We did see 12 turtles, however. As this is our first vlog, we did forget to take a substantial amount of footage of our activities and things like that, but we did go snorkeling and we did go paddleboarding. This is our journey back to the shore. If you use a tour boat service like Captain Bruce, you may only be able to spend a few hours at the sandbar. If you want to spend longer, you might need to make an extra reservation. As we were coming back, the clouds looked super beautiful and heavenly.
The water looks like liquid silver.
If you are in Honolulu and you have the chance, we definitely recommend that you take a trip out to the sandbar. It is an experience that you will never forget. You can take a lot of cool videos, a lot of cool photos, and have an extremely fun time with friends and family. Thank you so much for watching our video today, and we hope that you enjoyed it. We will be coming out with more video content in the future.
Thank you for watching.